Model, 2009 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 100 PS 350 long wheelbase, high side flatbed tail lift. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 187495. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition with loads of life left in it. The tail lift at the rear of the van works great with no issues. Genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro